You are going to love the 2019 Tahoe. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, trailer brake controller, 4-wheel drive, remote vehicle start, daytime running lamps, fog lamps. Inside you'll find steering wheel controls, heads-up display, keyless start, cruise control, power outlet, cargo net, climate control, entertainment system, console, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.